It drives me cuckoo when people say that because the person who basically said that breakfast was the most important meal of the day is Kellogg's, who created the cereal. And so of course for them, their big advertising campaign is, hey, if you don't have time to make eggs and bacon in this huge breakfast, just have a quick bowl of cereal, but you don't want to skip it. You don't need a study or you don't need anything else. Like, do it on yourself. Like, see how you personally do. And anyone who's done intermittent fasting, again, for an extended period of time, because it takes time to transition. I didn't lose any weight for 3 weeks. I didn't lose 1 pound for 3 weeks. All of a sudden I lost 6 pounds. I just stuck with it because I could have been like, this is just not working. And so I feel like the best thing to do is to look at walking testimonials who like, my skin is better. I feel better. I've lost weight. So how could you tell me that that's the most important?
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waist Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waist Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the Fasting Reset Summit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.